In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero inventory efficiently and effectively. Whether you're just starting out with Xero or looking to refine your inventory management skills, you're in the right place. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. First things first, you need to access Xero. To do this, launch your preferred web browser and type in the Xero website URL, or simply search for Xero in your search engine. Once the page loads, you're just a few clicks away from accessing a powerful tool that can streamline your inventory management tasks. Upon reaching the Xero homepage, you'll notice a login button located at the top right corner of the page. Give that button a click. The action navigates you closer to where the magic happens. Now you're greeted with fields requesting your email and password. This is your key to unlock the vast features of Xero. Go ahead, type in your email and password associated with your Xero account. Remember, your login details are your personal gateway to accessing your financial and inventory data, so ensure they're entered correctly and securely. After you've entered your credentials, hit the login button to proceed. This is where the real journey begins. Once inside, you're looking for the Business tab. Depending on your screen size and the device you're using, this might be located in different spots. But it's there, trust me. Don't rush, locate the Business tab and click on it. It's your doorway to many features, including inventory management, which we're focusing on today. Under the Business section, look for the Products and Services option. This is where all your inventory items live. If you're not familiar with the Xero interface, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Once you're ready, go ahead and click on Products and Services. This will take you to a new screen, showcasing any items you've previously added and offering the option to add new inventory items. Feeling excited yet? Now you're going to add a new item to your inventory. To do this, find and click the New Item button. It's usually located in a prominent place on the page, designed to catch your eye. Clicking this button opens up a new world of possibilities. And, more importantly, a form where you can enter details about the new inventory item you wish to add. In this form, you'll see fields asking for information about your item, such as name, description, buying price, selling price, and quantity on hand. Fill out each field with the relevant details of your new inventory item. Take your time here. Accurate information is crucial for effective inventory management. This step might seem simple, but think of it as laying the foundation for more efficient business operations. Once you've entered all the necessary details about your new inventory item, and you're satisfied with the accuracy of the information, look for the Save button. Found it? Great. Give it a click. This may seem like a small step, but it's actually a significant moment. By clicking Save, you're not only adding a new item to your inventory in Xero, you're also taking a step towards better organization and efficiency in managing your products and services. And just like that, you've successfully added a new item to your Xero inventory. It's a process that, with a bit of practice, will become second nature to you. Remember, managing your inventory efficiently is crucial for the success of your business. It affects everything from customer satisfaction to your bottom line. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a couple of tips. First, always ensure the information you enter into Xero is accurate. Whether it's quantity, pricing, or descriptions, accuracy is key to maintaining an effective inventory management system. Second, periodically review your inventory in Xero. This helps you stay on top of stock levels, identify fast-moving items, and make informed decisions about ordering and sales strategies. Congratulations, you've now taken a critical step towards mastering Xero inventory management. With regular use, and by taking advantage of the features we've discussed today, you'll find that managing your business's inventory becomes easier, allowing you to focus on what matters most: growing your business. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Don't hesitate to revisit any section if you need a refresher. Remember, practice makes perfect. Here's to your business thriving with Xero inventory at your side. See you in the next video.